Hi everyone! Today I'm making one of my breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day for me. I love vegetables especially for breakfast, and I often experiment with the recipes. I fry butternut and zucchini and add garlic, salt and pepper to taste. I also make fried eggs and oatmeal. And of course salad. Today is sauerkraut. And that's all. If you were interested in the format of such a video and it was useful, let me know. Thank you for watching.